Hey, what's up everyone, it's Isaac here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you know how to grow your hair faster and longer? In these videos, I'm going to share the 8 tips you should do for boost your hair growth faster and longer. And I would like to share the secret tips in the last minute. Whatever you are, ladies and gentlemen, this video is just useful for you. Alright, let's go. Hey, before this video, so please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit on the bell. Thank you. Tip number 1. More protein. Do you know our hair is made from protein? So you can drink more protein shake or you can eat summer foods like egg, chicken, beef to take more protein to your body to boost the hair growth. Finally, you will feel your hair just grow faster than usual. You know, my hair just grows so fast because I eat protein every day. I eat so much protein. Also, protein is so good for me to gain the muscles. So if you go to the gym often, protein is the one you are looking for to gain the muscles. We need protein! Tip number 2. You need exercise. Whatever which exercise you do. Boxing, dancing, even go to gym, it helps for improve the blood circulations and boost the metabolisms. It helps for boost the hair growth. Hey, workout and exercise just giving us so many benefits to our body. So what are you waiting for? Don't be lazy. Just go to work out. When you're just back home from the work or the exercise, your hair will have so many dirt, debris, excess oil, also the hair product. It is really dirty, man. Tip number 3. Wash your hair every day. Make sure clean your scalp always. When you have too much excess oil on the scalp and you don't really rinse off often, that is the problem. It is increase the clot plots. Your scalp will never grow hair anymore, which means you will get the hair loss. Are you really want to be a one-punch man? Hey guys, let's shampoo every day to protect your scalp. If you don't have any hair on your scalp, how come to talk about to boost the hair growth faster and longer? Come on. Tip number 4. You need head massage. Head massage can improve the blood circulations to boost the hair growth. Oh my gosh, I never learned how to do the head massage. No worries, Isaac will show you how to do the head massage. 2 options for the head massage. Option 1, you can use the head massage oil. Apply the medium pressure with the fingertips.
Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Then go to shampoo to rinse off the massage oil. Option 2. You can massage when you go to shampoo. This is the best option for the lazy people. Just same method, massage your head.
Oh, shit! Where is the water?
Huh? Hey, where? Where's the water?
Oh, where is the water?
Where is the water? Ah, damn.
Where is the water?
Huh?
Whoa. Where is the water? The water. The water.
Tip number 5. Apply the scalp treatment. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Scalp treatment. Yeah, this one. Right now, the scalp treatment I use is from the L'Oreal. This scalp treatment is for saving the losing hair, also the thin hair, and it is so nice to boost the hair growth. You should use it after the shampoo and apply directly to the scalp every night for 3 months. This scalp treatment is so good for the hair growth. Tip number 6. Shampoo with the cold water. Really? Cold water can help to close the hair cuticles. This is the reason why your hair will look more shiny when you rinse off your hair with the cold water. That's it. Hey Isaac, I'm talking about how to boost the hair growth. Any benefits with the cold water?
Cold water for hair ensures your scalp remains cleaner for longer as it closes the pores, making it less vulnerable to grease, oil and dirt.
When you make sure your scalp always nice and clean, then you will boost your hair growth faster. Also, we can take a cold shower in the summer. That's awesome. Tip number 7. Blow dry your hair. Do you know your hair will look shorter when you have the natural curly and the wavy hair? You can do the blow dry with the round brush to relax the natural curly hair. Finally, your hair will seem like longer. That's why I always say that in my hair tutorial, blow dry is so much important. Never skip the blow dry.
Easy.
Tip number 8. Never pull out the hair. No way! I don't understand why people so hentai to pull out the hair, but no way! Don't pull out the hair. Come on, if you want to boost your hair grow faster and longer, please don't do the stupid stuff. The secret tips. You need the right haircut. I suggest you should discuss with your hairdresser, ask them to design a nice haircut for you. Create some layers, volumes on the top, also trim the damaged hair. Let the hair grow in the natural, healthy way. You know, nice haircut is really important for everyone. You know my meaning, right? Unfortunately, we don't have the magical formula for the growth hair suddenly in the world. But you can follow the daily routine and the healthy diet to improve your body, to grow your hair faster and longer. And I wish my tips is useful for you and the videos just save your life. And I think for the next videos, maybe should we talk about the hair loss for the next videos? Sounds good, right?